Chello friendos, and welcome to my channel. I am Beedee, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I set up this countertop coffee station. Simple, easy, cost effective. So let's jump right into the video. So for any coffee station, you're going to need a coffee maker. I have this single cup Keurig system. I've had this for a couple of years now, and I really like it because it is nice and slim and it saves a lot of space, and it just gets the job done without too many bells and whistles. If you like lattes, macchiatos, and the like, I would definitely recommend that you get an espresso machine. But for me, I just went with the Keurig. This is the coffee that I picked up. I got these two from my local grocery store. They were about $10 a piece. And then when I was in Marshall's, I saw this big box of the same kind of K-Cups for $14. And that is what we want. We want to find things that are what we like at a more reasonable price. So I picked those up. I was sure to check the expiration date because I want my coffee to taste fresh, and everything was good. So I went and got those. And then I also went and got some syrups. This is my favorite part of any beverage station. The syrups, the flavors. I went with flavors that I love, salted caramel being my top tier favorite flavor combination of all time, but along with a little English toffee, a little white chocolate, a little chocolate chip cookie dough, which I am becoming obsessed with. If you want a little like Chips Ahoy iced coffee moment, definitely go ahead and grab that. So good. And these were inexpensive as well. If you pick these up online, say Amazon or directly from the brand's website, they're going to run you between 10 and 14 bucks. But I even got one on clearance. We love that. So be sure to check around, shop around. I also got some torani puremade sauces. These sauces are so good. I like to drizzle them inside of my cup or on top of like cold foam, whipped cream, what have you. And of course, I needed some milk, coffee creamer, and heavy cream. The heavy cream is for the cold foam, so must have that. And I just love oat milk. I don't know. It's just that girl. But anyway, to house all of these items, I am using this acrylic tray that I got from Amazon. I've used this in all of my beverage station videos, or most of them, and so I will link this below if I can't find the exact something similar. And for my K-Cups, I have this big jar, which is from Target. I think it was only about $5. They frequently have coffee bar station equipment and tools, so definitely be sure to check that section out. And to dispense the syrups, I got this set. I have two of them. I got them from Marshall's, and I think they're about $8, which is not a bad price. I wanted something kind of small, and I printed these labels out. I got the templates from the Avery website. I will link that below. You can print them for free, and I'll leave some tips on how to edit and jazz them up below in the description box. So here I'm going to go ahead and fill up those dispensers, put them in place, and just start to put everything together in that little tray. glassware. So typically I don't drink hot coffee. I like hot tea though, and hot cocoa. So I do have an assortment of mugs for that. But for my iced coffee, which is predominantly what this station is going to be for me, I went ahead and got some of those beer can shaped glasses that I see all the time and I just think are super cute. To make that cold foam, I needed to get a frother. This frother is from Marshall's, only $5, so we love that. So I'm just going to set that in the tray as well. So to make the cold foam, I went and got a frother. This frother is from Marshall's, only $5. Perfect, easy. All you need is batteries. It does not come with the batteries. I don't think you need to have your own, I think AAA batteries, but definitely clutch, and I always see them for $5. But yes, this is the station. Very simple, very easy, and will save cash. Has already saved me cash. If you want to see any like specialty drink recipes or anything like that, be sure to let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely do a video dedicated to drinks if that is what you'd like to see. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.